If you're using Cloudways and trying to decide between DigitalOcean and Vultr as your cloud provider, here's a quick guide to help you choose. Both DigitalOcean and Vultr are popular cloud providers integrated with Cloudways, offering SSD-based servers and solid performance. DigitalOcean is known for its simplicity and reliability. It has data centers worldwide and provides consistent speeds, making it a great choice for small to medium websites and applications. Vultr also offers global data centers but tends to have a wider range of server options and slightly more flexible pricing plans. Some users find Vultr offers better value for the resources you get, especially if you need more customization. In terms of performance, both providers use fast SSD storage and deliver low latency, but Vultr has the edge with its high frequency compute instances, which use faster CPUs and are great for websites that need extra speed. Pricing between the two is competitive and very similar, but Vultr's high frequency plans cost a bit more than DigitalOcean standard plans. On Cloudways, switching between these providers is easy, and you can deploy your server on either with just a few clicks. Ultimately, if you want straightforward, reliable hosting, DigitalOcean is a solid pick. If you're looking for extra power and speed, especially for resources heavy sites, Walter's high frequency servers might be worth the extra cost. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check the description for more Cloudways tips and deals.